Alrighty, so right now it's almost 5 o'clock. It's overcast today, so it's a little bit darker than it has been around this time. But I've got 3 or 4 birds that just started firing up right across the field from me. The other day, I came here after striking out off the roost somewhere else, and there was 2 toms right up in this top part of the field. So yesterday, me and my dad and my brother, we took out our little cousin, and he shot a nice jake for his first bird ever. And fast forward to today, I'm back in this different field that I saw those toms at the other day, and they sure are getting fired up over there. We may be able to see them fly down. They could be on this field edge. They might be in the next tree line back. But I think this is going to be an exciting morning. They're getting fired up over there right now. So I've got the Jake and the hen decoy out, and we got in here pretty early. I don't know, I got a good feeling about this one, so I hope things can line up for me, because I got a pretty big week coming up with finals and my senior year of college, so gonna be pretty busy the next few days. So this morning would be a nice morning to take one. So So that was pretty cool. I just had a bearded hen come in flying. I thought she was going to pick a fight with one of the decoys. I'd been watching her out there, and I didn't realize she had a beard because she was facing towards me most of the time. But her beard was long. I bet it was probably 7 inches or so. But she came flying in. She was running so fast I couldn't even get her on camera. And she ended up just going maybe 40 yards out from my setup. I mean, I could have shot her if she stopped, but they are legal to shoot here in Maine, but I don't know, I'd rather just shoot a tom. But yeah, she was flying in here. I thought she was going to pick a fight. That's cool though, I've never seen a bearded hen before. But I just had another bird gobble out in front of me. And it sounded like he was a little bit closer. So hopefully he'll come out and see this Jake decoy and want a piece, but that was funny. She came in hot. I don't know what her deal was. She didn't get scared or anything. She was running practically right at me. I don't know. Never seen that before though. He's right over there somewhere. He just gobbled at that call. So I just had a hen run. I see the gobbler now. The gobbler just came in the field. I just had a hen completely sprint across the field at my decoys. But the gobbler just jumped the fence over there, and I see him on the wood line, so I hope he comes in right to the decoys. I mean, she came sprinting across the field. I don't know why she did that, but he's in the field now. There. That's what you get it done, baby. That is just like we drew it up this morning, now. Oh my god.
Well, I'd say that worked out pretty well. Man, we had a fun morning. We get in here early. It was overcast. I was set up for 45 minutes before I even heard a gobble. We had a hen worker way across the field towards us come into our setup, and shortly after that, we had a bearded hen run across the field. And I thought she was going to pick a fight with one of these decoys. I was kind of surprised she didn't. And then I heard this big guy gobbling over there all morning pretty much. And he finally decided to enter the field, and he saw that Jake decoy, and pretty much the rest was history. He worked his way in, and I don't normally let them get that close to the decoy, I'm not going to lie. But I was pretty confident that I had a good setup over there, and that I wasn't going to get busted. So he came in hot. Was working his way around this decoy, and I even managed to not put any pellets in my decoy. So what a fun morning. It's always fun when it works out like this, you know. The challenge of turkey hunting is, I think, what keeps most people coming back, and when they work out perfect like this some mornings, it's just a treat, you know. So we've got one more tag to fill, and maybe take some other people out hunting. My mom might get a bird, and we got my little cousin Max one yesterday, so Oh, that was fun. Worked out perfect. Nothing like hunting over decoys, you know.